Hello, this is Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Adventures. Please like and subscribe. Well, third time's a charm. My Muddy Matrix failed me again, so I'm going out to take it down and replace it with Muddy Manifest. So please stay tuned. I hope that I don't spook anything this time. You'll see what I see or hear what I hear. Thank you. Hello, I'm Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Adventures. Please like and subscribe. I came out to replace the Muddy Matrix with a Muddy Manifest. I kind of was in a pickled situation. At 3:58, the Matrix had actually taken pictures of two tremendous looking longbeards, as you'll see on my video. They were just pictures, so, but I still made the decision to take it out and put the manifest in. I don't think I spooked them. I gave it about half an hour before I went into the woods. There was turkey tracks, so we'll see what happens.